Hello my fellow students, today we will be going through Ohm's law in detail. We shall learn the purpose of Ohm's law, its advantages as well as disadvantages. So make sure you pay attention and do not skip the video. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Academic Demystify, and after this video, even if you feel a little bit satisfied, you can like it and share it with your friends. A German physicist, Georg Simon Ohm, stated a law that relates the current and voltage in a solid conductor. It states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends, provided the temperature and other physical conditions remain constant. Consider figure A. I is the current through the conductor of resistance R, and V is the potential difference across its ends. Then, by Ohm's law, current I is directly proportional to the potential difference V. That is, if the potential difference across the conductor increases, the current through the conductor will also increase. Now, if we have to remove the proportionality symbol, we must add a proportionality constant. So, we take R as the proportionality constant, which is known as the resistance of the conductor. The value of R depends on the temperature and physical conditions such as dimensions and material of the resistor. The SI unit of resistance is Ohm and is denoted by the symbol omega. Resistance may be defined as the property of a conductor that opposes the flow of electric current through it. The relation between current and voltage can be expressed in three ways as shown on the screen. You can take a screenshot and memorize the ways, or you can take the help of the Ohm's law triangle. Advantages of Ohm's law are as follows. It is extensively employed in circuit analysis. It is utilized in instruments like ammeters and multimeters. It plays a role in the design of resistors. It is instrumental in achieving the desired circuit voltage drop during circuit design. Advanced laws such as Kirchhoff's, Norton's, and Thevenin's laws are founded upon Ohm's law. Disadvantages of Ohm's law are as follows. Ohm's law is not applicable when the physical conditions of a conductor are subjected to change. Ohm's law is not applicable at extreme low and high temperatures. Ohm's law is not applicable for non-linear devices such as electron tube, semiconductors, discharge tubes, and electrolytes. Ohm's law is not applicable to arcing devices.